So I've always been on the hunt for actual good quality 3D print ideas that aren't like a waste of money, basically, and I think this is one of them. So this is a two-part design where you put a rubber band on this and it kind of just stays in there and everything, and you put it on your controller. So this design is for basically people that would want to use controller with probably xCloud games, like, you know, when you're playing stuff on your phone. Like if you want to play Genshin Impact, you just throw that right in there and you can play. It's a little top heavy because my phone's a little heavier than the controller itself, but it works perfectly fine if you can connect it and everything. I'm actually downloading Genshin Impact right now just so I can try it out and see if it's actually worth it. We'll see if this phone actually gets support. This phone's like 10 years old. But hey, this is some cool 3D print stuff that I actually could say is cool and not actual junk that people throw on their desk.